guys, it's your favorite crafter and craft coach Shondell, and today we have some Happy Mail sponsored by Plaid Crafts. So we're gonna get like straight into it, no wasting time on here. So we have a variety of brushes, guys. I'm gonna be painting like all summer long. See that lettering and detail. The general paint brushes. Look at these. It's a value pack. And these are best for base coating. Let me show you guys. We'll get into all the paints after I just show you all of the other stuff. The sponge. We have a brush basin. It's going to be needed with all these brushes that I have here. Look at this. I'm very excited to try this, because lately I've been wanting to dip into like a new variety of crafting or different, using different mediums. So wood burning, I'm gonna enjoy that. Of course, I think I'm gonna write my name first on some piece of wood. Who knows? But this is really cute. So I'm gonna really try this. I think I'm gonna enjoy it. I love my paper crafting, but I want to try some new things. So let's get into all of this paint here. Metal, guys. Look at the brushed metal paint in different colors. Look at that. Brushed copper. This is what, let me show you the top so you see what the color actually looks like. So this one is like, it is an antique gold. And this is the pearl, the brushed pearl gold. This is for multiple I'm ready for acrylic paint because I have a project that I want to try soon. And these colors are going to come in handy. This is multi-surface also, but this is a satin finish acrylic paint. We have this color shift acrylic paint. It's a metallic. It gives like a gloss. You see that? Like a glossy finish. As you can see, there's a lot of paint in here, so I will be painting the summer away. This one is brushed bronze, brushed gold, this is beautiful, beautiful brushed silver. I can't wait to use these. And it's kind of hard to find like these colors. See that? Oh, dark gray. Like metallic colors. Look at that. Oh, lordy. Raspberry flash and plum. This plum. Plum flash. Ooh. I can't wait to use these. Especially these metallic ones, guys. Emerald flash. I think these are going to be the first ones that I use. I don't know what yet. Wait, let me put them back together. Look at those colors. I don't know what I'm making, but I'm making something. There's going to be a lot of painting this summer, guys. So this is another multi-surface satin. Same thing here in the white. And they're all acrylic paint. So this, with the white, it's good when you're doing your base coat for whatever, to give it that clean background, especially if it's on a dark background. All right, guys. We have, oh, wait. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm ready to, you could see it inside there, right? Oh my God. I'm ready to use this. I am so ready. So we have literally almost every color under the sun here. Look at that. These are the matte acrylic. Oh, I love it. This is yellow citron, burnt sienna. We have a yellow ultra. I hope I said that right. This is the ultramarine blue. True burgundy. Well, this one's spilled. I had this box here shaking up for a little bit. So this is just a blending gel, and I think I knocked it over. All right, so this is a Naphthol crimson, like a maroon. black. We have green. Guys, I'm going to be painting everything. Another black, another white. I just want to shake this up. You know, you have to shake these colors up. This is a lemon yellow. My son loves this color. My youngest son loves this color, aqua. This matches with me. All of my colors. Ooh, this is a violet, guys. This one is called Thicket. It's kind of like a army green, medium yellow. And this is a pure orange. So I'm going to be painting. Let me just put all of them here for you guys to see like how much paint came. So I have to send a special thank you to Plaid Crafts. Look at my paint. Oh, are you guys ready for these projects? Let me just zoom in a little. Look at that. Look at all of that paint. I'm ready. I'm ready. Now this is happy mail. So I'll see you guys soon. And if you have any ideas for me on what you want me to paint, create, because I plan on painting on clothes as much as I'm going to paint on canvas as well, send it to me via DM, drop a comment here, whatever you want to do. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to see more. Bye.